What was really exciting for me about this project was that the clients had sensational taste. It took us 3 years to do this home, and I just knew from the beginning it would be a great relationship and a great project. The architecture of this house is gorgeous. It's a true Georgian. It's over 4,000 square feet, and we really wanted to respect the architecture of the house and make sure that we gave it a fresh new life. My clients are very lovely people and they are elegant. So we wanted to take that direction and take it to a new level. It's the type of home that you walk into and you just feel so impressed by it, but also we didn't want to sacrifice durability for style because they do have 2 young children. Though it looks like a do not touch home, it's very welcoming to families as well. The way this project began for us was in a couple of phases. The first phase was the children's bathroom. I really appreciated that the homeowners wanted to infuse more architecture and more of the old soul back into the design. So we didn't treat it as a kid's bathroom. It's quite grown up, but I love the leaded glass feature and I love the tub and the elegance of the chandelier above it. And though it's a bathroom, it's very welcoming. The master bedroom is quite large, and in order for us to give it that warm, elegant retreat feeling, we did a beautiful custom wall of panel molding behind the headboard. And then on the other side, we installed a gas fireplace with a custom mantle and surround around that as well. But then also, they needed more storage. And so we built these custom armoires to flank the fireplace. And underneath, they have pull-out drawers. The ensuite bathroom was sort of inspired by a Parisian hotel. When we enter into the bathroom, we actually have to go through the walk-in closet, and we were able to double the amount of space that the clients had previously. It has a beautiful, beautiful chandelier that is definitely very Parisian inspired, custom crotch mahogany vanity, a beautiful wall of creme de marfil marble up the back behind it, so it has a lovely feeling to it. We literally gutted the whole entire main floor at the exact same time. And then, in order to keep the flow, we installed black and white marble throughout the whole entire main floor. My favorite room on the main floor is the living room. I have to say, it feels like a real old, beautiful estate. It is so elegant. I told the client actually that she could no longer wear yoga pants in this house because it's too elegant for anybody now. My favorite thing about the living room, I have to say, is the carpet. I think that without this carpet, the whole room would seem a bit contrived. I love the wallpaper and I love the drapes and I love the alabaster lamps, but the carpet for me was a real find. The living room had to wear 2 hats. We have the grand piano and we also have our living space. In order to not make it feel too traditional or fussy, it's little hits of the contemporary mixed with the antiques and the more traditional pieces that really give this space its unique feel. I always feel like a dining room should be as dramatic as you can make it. At the end of the day, you're only really eating in there at night. And so we used a beautiful black and white pinstripe grass cloth. We put in a stunning Art Deco inspired table, but the pièce de résistance is the chandelier because it's champagne colored. It's not a traditional crystal chandelier. And also the beautiful emerald drapes. We had a lot of fun with that room. So the kitchen, the family room, and the eating area all had to work together in the same space. So we had to make sure that it all flowed really well together. What we did was we incorporated a custom banquette seating because they are a family of 4. So it's very easy for them to have family dinners and then move on into the actual family room. We also installed a huge fireplace, which they enjoy regularly. And it's also the space where they gather and watch movies. The kitchen is white, and that is what keeps its fresh, airy appeal. It's also face frame cabinetry, which makes it look like stronger millwork. And the one big feature of that kitchen is the custom crotch mahogany island. It's large, it's spectacular, and it's the biggest feature in that space. We also incorporated many different metals, and I'm a really big fan of that these days as far as brass and chrome and stainless steel. There are no rules anymore. It's about balance, and the clients really understood that, and I think that's part of the success of that space. I did many things in this home that I have never done before, and when I get to work with homeowners such as these, it's just inspiring all day long. Just to go outside the box and create such a beautiful, sophisticated space was all part of the joy of it. If I could describe this space in one word, it would be elegant. It's a beautiful home. From the outside in, it's got the old school architecture, the great Georgian home, center hall concept. It's warm, it's welcoming, and it's beautiful.